Not everyone is a fan of hodling, holding on for dear life, their crypto. If you're looking for an alternative, here's how you can sell your digital assets in just a few steps. The first step is to register with a reliable crypto exchange. There is a deluge of platforms, but consider joining one that's properly regulated. CEX.IO is a time-tested leader in the space, offering an array of high-quality services. Next, select the payment method you'd like to use with your account. CEX.IO supports credit debit cards, wire transfers, e-wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other popular funding services. To sell crypto, hit the spot trading service on the website and select the crypto asset you want to trade. Type its name into the search bar, then click on the preferred pair. This way, you can sell BTC to USD, ETH to USD, or any other crypto to fiat pair. The spot trading feature supports two orders: limit orders and market orders. With a market order, you can sell assets instantly. Choose the preferred crypto to fiat pair, enter the amount to trade, then click Sell Now to receive cash within minutes. A limit order lets you set your own price. If you don't mind waiting for a more favorable value, opt for this order. Set the price, enter the selling amount, click Place Order, and wait. Your trade will be fulfilled when the asset reaches the set value. If you prefer a mobile platform, download the CEX.IO app and tap the Sell button. Choose the crypto and the amount, then hit the Sell button. No matter which service you choose to sell crypto, it is important to have convenience and security in mind. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.